Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Hope you all will be good. This is your literature class and today we are going to start a very interesting chapter. The name of this chapter is Jen Shop and chapter number is 11. So first you have to take out your LIT book. This is your LIT book and now you have to open page number 47. This is page number 47 and the chapter number 11, Jen's Shop. Okay, first we will read these all words. After that we will start a story. So read with teacher. I am reading spell. Then you will read with teacher. S-H-O-P. Shop. This is shop. B-L-A-C-K. Black. S-H-O-R-T. Short. J-U-S-T. Just. First we will read these all words. Read with teacher. Shop. Black, short, just. Second line, T H I N G S, things. G O L D, gold. B U T T O N S, buttons. C H E C K I N G, checking. Now we will read these all words. Things. Read with teacher. Things, gold, buttons, checking. Next line, A N Y, any. S I L V E R, silver. N O T H I N G, nothing. C H A S E S, cherries. Now we will read these all words. Any, silver, nothing, cherry. Now we will read these all words one more time. After that we will start a story. So read with teacher. Shop, black, short, just, things, gold, buttons, checking, any, silver, nothing, cherry. Now these all words we will read in this story. So now we are going to start this story. What is this? That look at here first. This is a shop. Whose shop is it? Jan's shop. And who is Jan's? We will look here on next page. First we will start a story. So listen it carefully. This is Jan's shop. We are talking about this shop. This is a shop of Jan's. Jan's shop is small. Look at it. It's a small shop. But Jan sells lots of things. Now you can see here that there are many things, but we will look many things on next page. So come to page number 48. Look at here. Wow, the shop is looking nice. This is Jan's shop. Whose shop is it? Jan's shop. And there are many things we can see. Look at here. There are wall clocks, There are umbrellas, books, bags, scissors, watches, and many more things. So let's start. Jack goes to Jan's shop. Who is Jack? He is Jack and she is Jan's. And whose shop is it? Jan's shop. Now what will be happen? Have you got any pants? He says. Who is asking? Jack is asking to Jan's that have you got any pants? Yes, says Jan. I have black pants and blue pants. Now Jan is telling to Jack. I have red pants and green pants. Now she is giving more information about pants that I have black, blue, red and green pants. Now what will be happen? Have you got any nibs? Says Jack. Jack is asking more and more questions to Jans and Jans is thinking that he wants something. Yes, says Jan. I have gold nibs. I have silver nibs. Now Jans is telling about everything that I have two types of nibs, gold nibs and silver nibs. But what wants Jack? Next question he is asking. Have you got any books? Says Jack. Yes, says Jan. I have fat books and thin books. I have long books and short books. Now she is again giving answer of his question. Now what will be happen? Have you got any bags? Says Jan. Yes, says Jan. I have small bags and big bags. Now you can see here that this is Jan's shop and bags are here. Here is a small bag and big bags. Come to page number 49. Have you got any clocks? Says Jack. He is just asking question about everything. Yes, says Jan. I have lots and lots and lots of clocks. Look at here. You can see here clocks. She said, I have lots and lots of clocks. Now what will be happen? Have you got any clips? Says Jack. Jan looks at Jack. Now she is just thinking that he really need anything or he is just asking. Yes, I have, says Jan. Have you got any buttons? Says Jack. Yes, says Jan. I have lots and lots of buttons. But what do you want? Now she is worried about that what he really wants to my shop. What do I want? Says Jack. Yes, what do you want? Says Jan. Do you want a pen? Do you want a nib? Who is asking these all questions? Jan is asking that what do you want? She is asking to Jack that what do you want? Do you want a pen? Do you want a nib? Do you want a book? Do you want a clock? Do you want a clip? Do you want a button? What do you want? She is asking and asking because she is angry now that what he want. He is just asking that do you have this thing? Do you have this thing? But he doesn't say any time that I want this thing. He is just asking. Nothing, says Jack. I was just checking. Oh, now Jack is saying that I was just checking. I don't need anything. Now come to page number 50. Checking, says Jack. Checking. I will give you checking. Jan gets up. Jan chases Jack away. Now look at here that she is telling to Jack. He run away from here. Now what will be happen that in this story we are just reading that Jack is asking about anything, about those things he can see in the shop. Now we will see that which type of things are here. You can see here there are clocks, There are pens. There are books. There are bags. There are buttons. And there are watches. There are many things. And you know, student, that this is a small shop. But in this small shop, Jans have many things. And one boy, he is a Jack. He came to the shop and he asked to Jans that, do you have this thing? Do you have this thing? He took name of many things, but he doesn't want need of anything. He is just asking. And after that, Jans become angered that, what do you want? He said in loud way that, what do you want? You are just asking about pens, clocks, bags, buttons, but what do you want? And after that, Jack says that, nothing. I was just checking that, do you have this thing? Do you have this thing? Do you have this thing? Oh, now what will be happen? That Jack run away. And Jans was too much angry. Now student, I hope that you all are enjoying this story. Now what will you do? You will read this story one more time. Now I am telling you some copy work, that how will you do the copy work? So I am just telling you. First you have to make a title page. First you have to make a title page of chapter number 11, Jan's shop. And you will make this title page with your pencil. Don't use any pen or marker. Okay? And after that, you have to do words meaning. Okay, students? Now I am reading these words meaning, so you will read with teacher. First word is chase. To follow someone or something. Next, small. Small means little. Small means little. Want. To wish for something. It happens sometime that we need something, so we said to Mama, I want this thing. So we will use this word, that want, to wish for something. I said to Mama, I want this thing, I need this thing. So that is the meaning of to wish for something. Okay, students, now you will do these all words meaning neat and clean. First, chase, small, want. And I am happy that you all are working very good, but need more improvement, need more good, neat and clean work. And do your work on lines, follow the lines. Okay, students? And when you will do this work, must read these words, that what are you writing, and after completing it, you will recheck your spelling, that are you writing correct spelling or wrong spelling. Now I am telling you about question answer, that what will you do? Here you will write chapter number 11, on first line you will write question answer, and then you will write question number 1. What is the question number 1? What does Jan do? Who is Jan? We are talking about the Jan's shop. Jan is a girl. Jan sells things in her shop. Okay, students? Now question number 2. What does Jan have in her shop? What was? We have read about many things. What was there? There was books, nibs, pen. But how will you write? You will write like that. Jan has pens, nibs, books, bags, clocks, clips and buttons in her shop. That was a small shop, but there were many things. Okay, student, look at here, that I want to tell you something about it. It is comma, but some students, they are making in this way. Okay, don't make it in this way. This is wrong. In English copy, you will show it like that. This is right. Okay, so when you will put comma here, so you will write in this way. Don't write in this way. Okay, student. Now question number 3. What is the question number 3? Why does Jack ask about so many things? Why? He doesn't need anything, but he was just asking, do you have this thing? Do you have this thing? Do you have this thing? So why does Jack ask about so many things? Because he is not sure that what he wants to buy. He was just asking, do you have this thing? Do you have this thing? And student, I am asking to you, did you do this thing in your life? He is just enjoying here. He is just asking that, do you have pens? Do you have books? Do you have clothes? He doesn't need anything. He is just asking. Now next question is question number 4. What does Jan do in the end? After asking many questions, and Jan is continuously, she was just giving the answer, yes, I have this thing, I have this thing. If she was asking, she was telling about the book, she was giving explanation. Yes, I have thin books, I have fat books, I have long books, I have means every type of books. And when she was giving answer about pens, so she was saying that I have black pens, I have blue pens, I have red pens, I have green pens. And when she was telling about the buttons, she was saying, yes, I have buttons. When she was telling about nibs, she was saying that, yes, I have gold nibs, I have silver nibs. So after giving many answers, what should she do? Jan chases Jack away. She was too much anger that he is just asking. He doesn't need of anything. So why is he is here? That's why she became anger. Okay, student. Now you will do these all works neat and clean. You will do this work carefully. First you will do words meaning. After that you will do question number 1 and 2. I have told you here that you will show comma like that. Don't show in this way. This is wrong and this is right. And question number 3 and question number 4. After completing the working, must check that what did you write. Now look at the book. Look at here just. I am asking some questions to you. So get ready. First I am just asking that whose shop is it? We are talking about this shop. Whose shop is it? You can see here a name. Wow, now you can give me answer. Tell me. Yes, Jan's shop. It's Jan's shop. And what do you think that? It's a small shop or big shop? Jan's shop is small. And when we look here, then you can see here, there are many things in her shop. She is Jan's and he is Jack. How many persons are here? There are 2 persons. One person is Jan and the second person is Jack. And there are many things. There are clocks, there are bags, there are buttons. And student, look at here that these all things are looking very colorful. And the shop is very nice. And you can find anything easily that where is that thing. We can find, look at here. We can see it easily that this thing is here and this thing is here. Are you enjoying? And you all will read this chapter carefully. It's very interesting story. And don't do this thing in your life that you are thinking that, oh, we will also do this thing when you will go on shopping with your mama. So don't do these things. Okay, student? And there are many questions. Okay, can you tell me that which type of question Jack asked to Jan? They asked many questions, but which type of that about? He asked about nib, he asked about pen, he asked about book, he asked about clock, he asked about clip, and he asked about button. He was just asking and asking. Okay, students, hope you all understood this story. Read this chapter again and again. And one more thing, in starting, we have read some words here. So you will also read these all words, and as well as you will also start learning to this chapter. If you will learn, it will good for you. When paper will be start, so it will be easy that you have to learn it. So you have learning this chapter. That's why you can give test easily. Okay, students. Now read this chapter carefully. Hope you all understood. If you have any confusion, any query, you can ask. Take a very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.